Simon Benning, born either in Ghent or Antwerp in circa 1483, died 1561. He was a Flemish miniaturist, generally regarded as the last major artist of the Netherlandish tradition. He was probably trained by his father, illuminator Alexander Benning, in the family workshop in Ghent. He travelled between Ghent and Bruges and became a member of the Guild of St. John and St. Luke in Bruges as an illuminator in 1508. He made his own name after moving to Bruges in about 1510, where he had lived since. From 1517 to 1555 he is listed regularly in the Guild's annual accounts. Benning served as a dean of the calligraphers, booksellers, illuminators and bookbinders in the Guild of St. John and St. Luke 3 separate times. He also created genealogical tables and portable altarpieces on parchment as well as oil paintings on wooden panels. He was known to extend miniature painting into the borders. His usage of illusionistic picture frames served to function as small devotional panels. Many of his finest works are labors of the months for books of hours, which are largely small-scale landscapes, at that time a nascent genre of painting.